Okay, so now we have to make the plastic bits. As you can see, the top plastic bit just goes up to the middle part, and then the rest of the lower part, it just gets some plastic lines, like kind of a radiator type. So we're just gonna work on that now. The soft plastic right up there, as you can see, uh, up to the end of the license plate. For this, we're just gonna take the border, and there from there we can just copy some words, make faces, and that's that. It's not a huge deal. Just follow my lead again. Just gonna give it one more. There we go. Now we can have a sweet face. Nice. Shift and to recalculate the normals. Maybe give it a little bit of thickness. Nice. Okay, so this part doesn't need any subdivision, but if you want, you can just turn on the sub D. But what I will say personally that don't waste your PC resource or PC RAM just by applying sub D to parts that we can't see. Just keep it with shade smooth. That's all. It doesn't matter at all, to be honest, since it's going to be in the on the inside and will be painted black. So we'll join them, then get rid of the excess. Let's give it a slight curve just by using the G. We don't need any lattice for this. Just don't.